So you're looking at your app here, and you know it doesn't look right. Like it does not. Yet you have absolutely no idea what's wrong or how to fix it. Yeah, you're going through it. I know. It's fine. It's fine. Today, I'll show you one simple trick I use that will help you troubleshoot and fix your layouts. Now, if you're wondering who the strange looking young man on your screen is, it's okay. I'm wondering the same thing. Well, I'm Meshach. I'm a front-end engineer who created a layout every day for a year. And now somehow I've deluded myself into thinking I can teach developers how to design better UIs. But you don't care about my life problems. What you do care about is fixing your user interface. And that's exactly what I'm here to help with. All right. Now that we are all friends here, let's get into it. Now, the first thing I do when I can't figure out a layout is panic, move things around randomly, squint my eyes, get frustrated, take a first nap. If that sounds like you, I just want you to know you're not alone. Now, what I've learned to do instead is subtract. I strip I strip the layout to its simplest form, and then I begin to reintroduce components into the layout to see where things start looking funky. I mean, developers, we do this a lot. When things don't work while coding, we comment out different parts of the code to see what's breaking the code. Why not use the same logic while designing layouts? So when I eventually find the criminal components, the culprits, the outlaws of the layout, I check to see if they are aligned properly and anchored to other components in the layout. If they are not, then that's a quick fix. I simply align and anchor them properly. And when I say anchor, I simply mean making sure that every component in the layout is aligned to some other components in the layout. But if the components are aligned and still amount to no good, I cast them aside and live happily ever after, watching as the sun rises on a grateful universe. But no, I'm a design therapist. I want to fix everything. So, knowing the issue isn't with alignment, I switch my focus to positioning, size, and color. Now, this step really is about experimentation, which is, by the way, how all great innovations are born, including me. So, I move the components from left to right or top to bottom and try reducing or increasing the size. And if it's a different color from the rest of the layouts, then I try making it the same color as well. After a few or a lot of tries, the layout begins to look more cohesive and intentional. Give this a go and let me know if it helps. Now, I'm still new to this whole YouTube thing and sharing my learnings. So I don't know if this content type helps anyone. So if you have ideas on how I can do better, then please feel free to leave them in the comments or reach out to me. And if it did help, then do let me know in the comment. It'd be nice to know and maybe like. And if you're feeling quite generous, then subscribe as well. See you in the next one.